Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Yes, I got more important news not too many of you can stomach. So, no college football, most likely it's a no-go. No surprise here. I was just in Tuscaloosa, Alabama recently, and what I saw out there was just nothing but a ghost town. And this is where things would already be pretty much crazy just because it's few weeks before the kickoff, but none of that was going on. Actually, a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars, a lot of cigar lounges that were just few minutes walking from the stadium were not even open yet. They never reopened actually since the mandatory shutdown that took place not long ago. So I'm not surprised at all. This is all done by design to destroy the middle class. I know a lot of you do not want to understand this. You want to continue digging your heads deeper in the sand, but this is what we are witnessing, and unfortunately this is just the beginning of what is to come. So while everyone is celebrating because the stock market continues to do well, a lot of people, but not you who tunes into the new American conservative, they're not seeing the big picture. They're not understanding. Excuse me, let me fix this. They're not understanding what is really truly going on behind closed doors. So for instance, since 2008 Great Recession, Federal Reserve has been inflating 20%, annually of currency into the existence. So 20%, that means dollar was getting hit 20% annually, meaning your purchasing power. So when you see, let's say, S&P 500 or Dow Jones Industrial Average is up year to date 25%, well, if they injected 35% of currency into existence, that means you're actually losing money. So this is why you see the price of gold at the all-time highs, because right now you need the most ever dollars to buy an ounce of gold. $2,000 and some $30 and change for an ounce of gold. So the faster you see the stock market goes up now, so you see the digits on the screen are doing really good, you start celebrating, and that's fine. Again, you do not want to lose, obviously. Everything that's going up right now is better, but what do you do with your winnings if you're not understanding that you need to dig deeper in your pockets to buy the same goods that you could have bought just yesterday? So if you don't take some profits out and get into hard tangible assets, some crypto as well, there is a good chance you'll be waiting in food banks no matter what your portfolio looks like. I mean, what your holdings in cash look like. You can have $500,000 and it's all in the stock market, it's all in the 401k, it's all in your pension, it's all in, let's say, I don't know, Amazon stock. What if all this money now cannot buy you what it could have bought yesterday? And this is happening every single day, and people are not realizing they're not slowly chipping away your purchasing power. It's happening fast. And now you add this to the equation too. A lot of people are making more money by not working. Now the government is sending all this money, all the free money to hundreds of millions of Americans, right? And they are putting that money in the stock market. A lot of people are. So when you see, let's say, Apple stock go from $350 to $420 a share, let's just say, I don't have exact numbers in front of me right now. This is not what is going to be happening soon. Once the music stops, once the stimulus checks stop, these people are going to cash out their Apple stock, their Tesla stock, their Microsoft. Millions of Americans will take their money out, and they can possibly even be big money. They can decide to do that tomorrow. This is why I believe, even though they're still doing pretty good, a lot of these tech stocks, and we all know who they are, like Amazons of the world, they are way over leveraged. It is too risky for me to be in that area, and I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. This is why I'm picking the opposite side of this equation. I'm going into the mining side. I'm going into precious metals, cryptos, stuff like that, to try to look at some return on my investment in a way that a lot of people are still not seeing. My new stock picks now are set in place when it comes to mining. I got the new one. I will write it down below. It's called AXU. It took a little bit of a pullback today, which is awesome. I'm hoping tomorrow it'll be a little more. Alexco Resources it's called, and First Majestic AG. I'm really hoping, like I said, for a bigger pullback, like 15% or so, and I will be going in big. That is my plan. Again, you don't have to do this. These gold, especially silver stocks, went up 1,700% in the last precious metals bull market, which was 2000 till 2011. So there is a lot more room to go in these stocks because a lot of them didn't even hit the 52-week high. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at for opportunities where you can really turn some major profits here, and then I will take profits out and buy hard tangible assets, gold, silver, and definitely some platinum too. So those are my plays. I will write down these two indexes below. Otherwise, follow your boy on Parler at The New American Conservative. Easy to remember, same as my YouTube name. That's where I engage the most with my followers. On Twitter, I am at The New America 77. 27's numbers, at The New America 77. I have a lot of charts and everything on Parler, so if you are on that platform, you would be ahead of a lot of things that most people are not aware of. So again, take care, share my videos if you think this information is important to you. If not, put a thumbs down. I'm a big boy, I can handle it, and tell me why. Am I spreading lies? Am I putting you in situations where you think it's gonna cost you a lot of money? Let me know below. So far, if you look at my track record just in the last 50-60 videos I made on YouTube, you would see that my method works, and the picks that I'm talking about are doing exactly what I said. So take care, God bless you all, and we will talk tomorrow.